What's going on, y'all? All right, today is the day I'm gonna try to get these scratches out. Lord have mercy. I've been doing a little research online, and I found that the Mac wires one that you use with the drill should be able to get these scratches out. So, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and try to correct the mistake I made before and get that out of there. So let's see if it works. You can go to Walmart and pick it up, and anywhere, parts store, anywhere you want to go and pick it up. So yep, let's see what we got. All right, so we got let's open it up, see what the kit got inside. Move my ring around. All right, so you got this piece. Oh Lord, it ain't coming. You got this piece that goes into your drill. It's supposed to be the Sctratch paste that you use. And it does come with orange microfiber tile. So let's try it out. See what we got. Clean the surface of the area first. I'm gonna put it on time lapse, and we're gonna try to get this going. Scratches are really deep, so what I'm gonna do, try to put it on like a paste or whatever, rub it in a little bit and let it sit for a while, and then come back and buff it. If it don't work, oh well, it'll be all right. It's really not visible like that. So but yeah, so we're gonna let this sit. I'm gonna go back there and do the spoiler real quick. All right, y'all, so it didn't work. The scratches are too deep. I mean, it got some of them, but not like it's supposed to. But like I said, you really can't see it. And it's pretty much really not visible like that. So it's just a piece of history with the car, and it's gonna stay like that. So other than that, man, about to do a little detail to the inside real quick and go from there. All right, got the interior shined up. Got it looking good back there. I forgot to do this. Might have missed some spots, but oh well. I'm tripping. Interior looking A1 though. Got the back here. Got everything looking good. All right. Everything looking real good again. Just like that.